Hello everyone, welcome to your on channel. So till now in string handling we have discussed all the string operations given in your syllabus. Also we have made few programs based on string operations. And today in this video we will make few more important programs based on string handling. So let's start. So first program is write a program to accept a word and convert into Pig-Latin word. So we need to input a word and we need to convert into Pig-Latin word. So to understand what is Pig-Latin word, let's take one example. For example, the input word is computer. So first step to convert this into Pig-Latin, we convert this into the uppercase. So first we will convert into uppercase. Then Pig-Latin word starts with the first vowel of the original word. So what is the first vowel of the original word? O. So Pig-Latin word will start with O followed by all the remaining alphabets. So O, M, P, U, T, E, R. And after this, what we will add? We will add those alphabets which are present before the first vowel. So what is that? C. So C will come here and at the end we will add AY. AY. So this is Pig-Latin. Right? Let's take one more example. Let it be apple. Fine. So if it is in lowercase, first we will convert into the uppercase. Then again Pig-Latin word will start with the first vowel of original word, and coincidentally first word is vowel only, first letter is vowel only. So it will be A, P followed by remaining alphabets. So apple will be there and no other alphabet before the first vowel, so nothing will be there, only AY will be added at the last, right? So this is Pig-Latin. So what logic we will apply here? First we need to find out the index of the first vowel of original word so that we can apply the substring to take out or to extract this part. Fine. So in substring we can pass the index of first vowel, that after that only we can get this substring, right? And after that we will apply the another substring to get the alphabets before the first vowel, and then we will add or concatenate AY at the end. So let's start. So in this program first we will import util package and then we will make the class, let it be Pig-Latin. Then public static void main, we have created the object of scanner class, we have declared variable str and s1 and then L for length. So first we will input the word. So we need to print the message system.out.println enter a word, right? And then str equals to obj, as it is a word we will use next function only, right? And then we will convert into uppercase, str equals to str dot to uppercase. Then we will find out the length, L equals to str dot length, right? Now to check the character whether it is vowel or not, we need to extract the character, right? And how will you extract the character? We will use caret function. So for that we need to use loop because we need to check the character from the 0th position till last. So for mostly we declare I here also, no? Right? Int I. But in this case we will not declare here. Why? Because I will be needed outside the for loop. If you are declaring here and you are using I outside the loop, it will show you error, undeclared I or unknown I. Then in that case what we will do? We will declare I at the top so that we can use I globally, right? So I equals to 0, I less than L, I plus plus, right? So first we will extract the characters. So how will you extract the character? str dot charact, and in that we will pass I and we will assign in ch, which is of char type, right? Now we will check if ch equals to, for vowel we need to compare with a, e, I, o, u, and in capital only because we have already converted into uppercase. If ch equals to capital A or ch equals to capital E or ch equals to capital I or ch equals to capital O or ch equals to capital U. If it is vowel, then break. Why? Because what we want, we just want the position or index of vowel, right? So break हो जाए, और break क्या करता है? लूप से बाहर लेकर आता है, ठीक है? एंड लूप से बाहर क्या करना है हमें? We need to apply the substring function, and we will assign in another string, and which we have taken S1. So S1 equals to, we will apply the substring to get this part, start from the vowel till end. And we have, see, when you use break outside the loop, what will be I? I will be the position of O, right? See, char ch equals to str dot charact 0. Initially 0 था, तो what is the character? What will be returned in ch? C. तो condition will be checked. If ch equals to a, I, o, u, no, then break नहीं होगा. Then again it will go I equals to 1, charact 1. So what is charact 1? O. O will be returned. Then condition will be fulfilled, right? O is there in vowel, then break. So when it came out from the loop, what will be the value of I? It will be 1, right? And we want 1 only to pass in the substring function. So how will you write? S1 equals to str dot substring. We will use substring function here, and in substring we either we pass on one argument or two. Why one argument? One argument is the start index. So if you are passing the start index till end, it will be extracted, okay? And if you are passing start index comma end index, then that part will be extracted. But in this case we want till last, so I will pass here I only. So we have got O, M, P, U, T, E, R. Now what is next? I want the alphabets, all the alphabets before the this vowel, right? So how will I get this? This is just an example. Any other string can also be there, right? This is just a sample input. So str dot substring I, and we are making for general, right? Plus str again substring. And what shall I pass in substring? Here I am writing. Okay, इधर लिखते हैं. There is no space. So plus str dot substring. Here what I want? I want from 0 till I. So 0 till I, right? So this is the end index, and if you remember in substring, and it will return you the substring or the part starts from 0 till end index -1, right? So it will return you C only, not O, because end index -1 will be returned. Plus, so it will return C, it will be concatenated, right? And at the last we will concatenate AY, right? I hope it is clear. So this part will return this, and this part will return C only, and at the last we have concatenated AY. So this is our Piglatin word. Now we will display it. First we will display the original word, system.out.println original word equals to, what is the original word? str. Then system.out.println pig Latin word equals to s1, right? s1. Then main close, class close, right? I hope it is clear. Now we will see the next program. So now we will see the next program, and the next program is write a program to enter a string and display each word with its length. For example, if the string is "We are the proud Indians," so what should be the output? Output should be word and the length of the word. So if it is "we," then 2, "are-3," "the-3." So with word it should display the length of the word, each word, right? And so on. Proud, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, Indians, whatever the length, it should be displayed. So what logic we shall apply here? See, first the same logic which we have applied in the previous programs, whatever we have done in the previous videos. How will you check whether the word is completed or not? By space. After every word there is one space. So when you extract the character, we will check that if extracted character is blank, it means one word is completed. Then we will assign, we will use the substring and we will assign that word into variable, right? And then we will find out the length of that variable and display. Same way, suppose we have taken a start variable 0. So 0 से यहाँ स्पेस मिला तुम्हें, स्पेस का सपोज इंडेक्स था i. सो 0 से i चलाएंगे तो हमें ये v मिलेगा. देन स्टार्ट को हम शिफ्ट कर देंगे a पर, ठीक है? तो अगेन स्टार्ट से i तक हमें सबस्ट्रिंग लगाएंगे तो हमें r मिलेगा. देन स्टार्ट यहाँ आ जाएगा आपका. देन स्टार्ट से i तक ये सबस्ट्रिंग मिलेगा, दैट इज द थर्ड वर्ड, एंड वी विल यूज द लेंथ फंक्शन to find out the length of the word. चलिए let's see. So in this program, first we will create the object of scanner class and we have declared the variable str and w of string type, l, int, and we have taken start. Start is the variable which we have initialized with 0, which shows the first character. This is start, right? And first step is we will add the blank space at the last. So how will I write? str equals to str plus blank. We need to find out the length. str dot length, right? Then we will use for loop for int I equals to 0, I less than l, I plus plus. Again we will use the caret, str dot caret, we will pass I here and we will assign into ch, right? Now we will check if ch equals to blank. If ch equals to blank, अगर ch blank है तो क्या करें? By using substring we will extract the first word. So how will I do that? We have already taken w. So if ch equals to blank, w एक string है जिसमें क्या word assign हो? v. कैसे आएगा v? str dot by using substring function. Substring में क्या पास करेंगे? We will pass two argument. One is start. Start है पहला आपका 0, right? 0 से लेके कहाँ तक? I तक. एंड इंडेक्स -1 हो जाता है तो वी विल गेट v हियर. तो स्टार्ट कोमा i, राइट? सो दिस वे वी विल गेट every word and we have assigned into w. Now we need to display system dot out dot println. How will I display? First I need word, so w is the word, then hyphen, double quotes में hyphen, then उसका length. How will you get length? W dot length, right? So we have displayed. Now next we will change the position of start. Initially the start was 0. अभी क्या हो जाना चाहिए start? This one. और ये क्या है आपका start I plus 1. Start equals to I plus 1 because I position पे हमें blank मिला था. तो start क्या हुआ? I plus 1. तो I plus 1 will be assigned into start, right? Then if close, then for close. Here I am closing for. Okay, if we have closed, then for close. And after closing for, we will close main and class. So I hope it is clear. So now the next program is write a program to accept a word, convert into lowercase and display the new word after removing all the repeated letters. So what we have to do? So first we need to input a word, and then first step we need to convert into the lowercase, and then we need to remove all the repeated letter. For example, if original word is internet, then the output should be INTER. NET, these alphabets were repeated, so these alphabets will not be included in the output. So only inter will be displayed, right? Now, so we have declared variables. After that, first how will you do this? So first we need to find out the length. First we need to input the string or the word. So system dot out dot println, enter a word. So str equals to obj dot next, and then first step is to convert into lowercase. Str equals to str dot to lowercase function we will use, LOWER, then case, right? Then we will find out the length. L equals to str dot length. Then for loop, for int I equals to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. Now we will extract characters. Char ch equals to str dot char at I, right? Now we will check if S1 we have taken the another empty string. So if S1 dot index of, what is index of? Index of accept the argument as a character and returns its index, right? And if that character is not present, then it will return -1. Always remember, because this logic we will apply here. So if the character is not there, so index of will return -1. So S1 dot index of ch negative, -1 means negative. So we are applying the condition if S1 dot index of ch negative है, means ये character इसमें नहीं है, तो क्या करें? S1 में concatenate होता जाए, S1 plus ch, S1 equals to S1 प्लस सी है, तो वो CH S1 जो एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग था उसमें कॉन्कैटिनेट होता जाए. किस लिए लगाया? ताकि रिपीटेड लेटर्स ना हो, रिपीटेड अल्फ़ाबेट्स ना आए. तो वो पहले चेक कर लेगा, अगर CH पहले से है तो वो ऐड नहीं होगा, है ना? देखो अभी बताते हैं. सो फर्स्ट इफ ये हो गया, देन वी विल क्लोज द फोर लूप एंड आउटसाइड द फोर लूप वी विल डिस्प्ले सिस्टम dot out dot println new word equals to, or new word without repeated letters you can write equals to S1. Class close and then the main close and then class close. Fine. So let's see it quickly. So first we have input a string. देन वी हैव फाउंड आउट द लेंथ, लूप चला, कैरेक्टर एक्सट्रैक्ट हुए, आई 0 है, कैरेट 0 क्या है हमारा आई, तो आई विल बी रिटर्न इन टू सी एच, राइट। अब हम बोल रहे हैं S1 डॉट इंडेक्स ऑफ सी एच, हम चेक कर रहे हैं अगर सी एच S1 में नहीं है तो क्या करे, तो S1 में कॉन्कैटिनेट हो जाए, और S1 क्या है हमारा एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग, तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में S1 तो एम्प्टी है तो उसमें CH नहीं होगा, कंडीशन इज ट्रू, तो CH हमारा क्या है आई कॉन्कैटिनेट हो जाएगा S1 में, अभी S1 में आई आ गया। नेक्स्ट स्टेप, अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है N रिट्रीव हुआ तो N को चेक करेगा, S1 में N है नहीं है, अभी तक आई हुआ है तो N भी आपका कॉन्कैटिनेट हो जाएगा, तो S1 में क्या आ गया IN। फिर आगे गए, T है नहीं है तो T भी कॉन्कैटिनेट, E भी नहीं है, R भी नहीं है, अब देखो N, फिर से N आया तो फिर से यहाँ पे आएगा, कंडीशन चेक होगा, S1 डॉट इंडेक्स ऑफ CH नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव मतलब अगर CH नहीं है, अभी है ऑलरेडी है इंटर, तो ये कंडीशन फॉल्स हो गया और कॉन्कैटिनेट नहीं होगा, N दोबारा से कॉन्कैटिनेट नहीं होगा, राइट। सेम वे E भी ऑलरेडी है हमारा तो कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाएगा, ये भी कॉन्कैटिनेट नहीं होगा, सेम वे T भी कॉन्कैटिनेट नहीं होगा। तो जब आउटसाइड द लूप आएंगे तो क्या डिस्प्ले कर देंगे S1 को, S1 में क्या है INTER, फाइन। सो दिस इज द मेन लॉजिक if S1 dot index of CH negative. Now we will see the last program, that is write a program to display frequency of all the letters in a string. So first we need to input a string and then we need to display frequency of all the letters. How? Like suppose the input string is we are learning Java, right? And then the output should be A, B, C, D up to Z. All the letters will be displayed and its frequency. अभी A कितनी बार रिपीट हुआ, 1, 2, 3, 4, तो A should be 4. B को फाइंड आउट करेगा, B कितनी बार रिपीट हुआ 0, C कितनी बार रिपीट हुआ 0, right? So it will display frequency of all the letters, all the alphabets. How many times the alphabet is repeated, it will be displayed like this, character frequency, character frequency. So this is our program, fine. So in this we will use the nested loop. So here let's see, let's make a program. Now for this we have taken frequency class, scanner object we have created, enter a string, right? As it is a string, so we have used the next line function. So first, as you can see, string can be the mixed cases. So first we need to convert into either uppercase or lowercase, so that we can apply the condition for small a to z or capital A to z, right? Otherwise it will be complicated, right? So first what we will do, we will convert into lowercase. So we have converted into lowercase by using the function toLowerCase and we have assigned in str. Next step, we have found out the length L. Now we will use, what logic we will apply? First we will check A 0 से L में check करेंगे, A है, अगर है तो काउंटर चलाएंगे कितनी बार, ठीक है, एंड देन B को चेक करेंगे, तो आउटर लूप में क्या देंगे, 4 कैर CH इक्वल्स टू स्मॉल a, कब तक चलेगा, जब तक CH लेस देन इक्वल्स टू स्मॉल z और CH प्लस प्लस. दिस इज आवर आउटर लूप, राइट. देन inner loop. Inside this loop we will take a counter c equals to 0. So I am declaring one more variable c, right? So equals to 0 we have initialized here. Then we will apply the inner loop. Inner loop में क्या करना है, int I equals to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. अब हमें CH को कंपेयर करना है इसके हर एक कैरेक्टर से, स्ट्रिंग के. तो वो कैरेक्टर्स कैसे मिलेंगे हमें, कैरेक्ट से. क्या कंडीशन लगाएंगे, इफ CH इक्वल्स टू str dot caret I, right? If ch equals to str dot caret I, अगर a मिल जाता है उसे तो क्या करे, काउंटर का इंक्रीमेंट करता रहे, ठीक। देन आउटसाइड द फोर लूप, आउटसाइड द इनर फोर लूप, इससे बाहर आएंगे, काउंटर मिल जाएगा, वी विल डिस्प्ले, क्या डिस्प्ले कर देना है, कैर हाइफन एक्स, फ्रीक्वेंसी मीन्स दिस काउंटर, राइट। सो वी विल डिस्प्ले सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट println ch प्लस हाइफन दे दे, हाइफन और टैब यू कैन यूज, राइट, और हाइफन के साथ देना है, हाइफन के साथ दे दो, प्लस सी, ठीक है। लाइक ए कितनी बार रिपीट हुआ ये काउंटर में आ जाएगा। देखो आउटर लूप इनर लूप में क्या होता है, इफ सी एच इक्वल्स टू ए, ये सी एच ए ही रहेगा और ये पूरा लूप चलेगा 0 से L तक, सबको चेक करेगा, ए है, ए जितनी बार मिलेगा उसे काउंटर इंक्रीमेंट होता रहेगा, ठीक है। और आउटसाइड, इससे बाहर आएंगे इनर लूप से तो हम उसको डिस्प्ले कर देंगे और फिर आउटर लूप क्लोज होगा, फिर से जाएगा, अभी बी है, काउंटर फिर से 0 हो जाएगा, राइट। अभी हमें क्योंकि बी का फ्रीक्वेंसी काउंट करना है, फिर 0 से L तक चला, सारा पूरा स्ट्रिंग चेक किया, काउंटर इंक्रीमेंट होता जाएगा, अगर बी है तो, नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं करेगा, ठीक है। फिर बाहर आएगा, फिर यहाँ सी एच हमारा बी होगा और काउंटर हमारा 0 है तो काउंटर 0, फिर सी होगा सेम वे, काउंटर दोबारा से 0 और 0 से L चेक करेगा और इसको डिस्प्ले करेगा। आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर। ये आउटर फॉर लूप क्लोज है, ये मेन क्लोज है, ये क्लास क्लोज है। So that's it in this video. So thank you for watching.